Hello guys, how are you all? This is your KP sir Krishna Prakash. So we are discussing TSPSC hydrology solution. Today TSPSC AEE examination happened. We are discussing regarding the solution. If you want my profile in Unacademy, you search KP Civil. You can get the profile as NVLK Prakash. Don't search as KP sir. Okay? And now 30% off is there on Unacademy as a Republic Day offer. Please get Unacademy subscription using our universal code KP Civil. Refer your friends, juniors, whoever want to take the subscription. So now coming back to TSPSC AEE 2023 hydrology. Surprisingly, there are 10 questions from hydrology in TSPSC AEE. Generally 5 questions only given, but this time they have given 10 questions from hydrology and 3 from flood routing, 3 from hydrograph and 1 from precipitation, then well hydraulics. These are the questions given. So we never expected questions from flood routing. We expect hydrograph, well hydraulics are very important. Flood frequency. Total 10 questions. Flood routing 2, well hydrograph 2, precipitation 1. Hydrograph 2, precipitation 1, well hydraulics 2, flood frequency 2, infiltration 1. So it covered the entire syllabus. Generally we expect mostly from hydrograph and well hydraulics. The total syllabus: flood routing, hydrograph, precipitation, well hydraulics, flood frequency analysis, infiltration. All syllabus of hydrology totally covered. I would like to say very important thing. The level of questions is gate level. It's not that much easy. If you simply by heart, if you simply study theory, it's impossible to crack this hydrology questions. Need intelligence and also numericals to be solved a lot. The level of AEE hydrology is up to gate level. Now, the first question. In channel routing, Muskingum method, the value of routing coefficients C0 and C1 0.3 minus 0.3, 0.6. What is C2? So in Muskingum method we know C0 plus C1 plus C2. What is C0 plus C1 plus C2? C0 plus C1 plus C2 is 1. So C0 minus 0.3, C1 0.6 plus C2 is equal to 1. What you are getting now? Please tell me what you are getting now. So 1 plus 0.3 minus 0.6, 0.7. So C2 value you are getting as 0.7. You need to consider the negative sign. That will play very important role. An instantaneous unit hydrograph is a hydrograph of. Instantaneous unit hydrograph is a hydrograph of. Infinitesimally, we have written this. Infinitesimal duration. What is this infinitesimal duration? Infinitely small duration. Lowest possible duration. That itself we call instant duration. Same, both same. Infinitesimal duration, infinitely small duration, instant duration, both same. And of unit hydrograph, name itself include unit hydrograph. So you can take unit rainfall excess. Depth of effective rainfall is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter depth of effective rainfall. So infinitely small duration and of unit rainfall excess. 24-hour rainfall of 50 centimeter magnitude at a station located in a hilly terrain. Return period of 50 year. Return period of 50 year. Probability having 3 succeeding years. So please understand, probability of having 3 succeeding years means every year there is a rainfall of greater than or equal to 50 centimeters. If every year there is one rainfall of greater than or equal to 50 centimeter, so how many rainfalls? You take n is equal to 3. 1 year, 1 rainfall. So total 3 times, 3 rainfalls. 3 succeeding years, every year 1 rainfall, total 3 rainfalls. R is equal to 3. So now you can take the formula, PRN formula. PRN is equal to NCR formula, na, n factorial, R factorial into n minus R factorial, P power R, Q power n minus R. What is P? P is 1 by 50, 0.02. Q, 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.02, 0.98. N factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial by 3 minus 3 factorial, 0.02 to the power R, 3, 0.98 to the power 3 minus 3. So what you are getting now? After solving this, you are going to get 8 into 10 raised to minus 6. 8 into 10 raised to minus 6. B. Clear? The only thing you must understand, R is not 1. R is equal to 3, N is equal to 3. Probability having 3 succeeding years in which rainfall is greater than or equal to. N is equal to 3, R is equal to 3. 3-hour unit hydrograph of a basin can be approximated as a triangle. Base period of 20 hours. Base period of 20 hours. P coordinate 300 meter cube per second. Area of basin. You know our shortcut method. Half into time base into discharge is equal to area into, this is unit hydrograph. For unit hydrograph, depth is 1 centimeter. For unit hydrograph, depth is 1 centimeter, 10 power minus 2 meters. Half into time base 3 hours, discharge 300 meter cube per second. For second to hour conversion, 3600, A into 10 raised to minus 2. What is area after solving? Kilometer square you are requiring. 1080 into 10 power 6 meter square. 1018 kilometer square. Analysis of data on a 1-day maximum rainfall depth Hyderabad showed that a depth of 300 mm, return period of 80 years. Probability of 1-day rainfall depth equal to or greater than 300 mm at Hyderabad occurring at least once, very important, at least once in 80 years. So very important why I am saying N is 80, T is 80 within the return period. Probability of occurrence within the given return period. Within return period. It is a simple probability only. Na? It is a simple probability. P is equal to 1 by T, 1 by 80, 0.001. 0.0125. It is a simple general probability 0.0125. So generally we are think probability of occurring at least once is risk. Don't take risk. If n is greater than it or n is less than it, you think it as a risk. So it is not at all risk. It is having return period of 80 years and you are finding probability of occurrence within 80 years. N is equal to T case. This is N is equal to T. Both are same. It is a simple probability. So 0.0125. Actual velocity of water flowing in a medium, V actual 0.3. Porosity 0.4. Darcy velocity. Generally V actual is equal to Darcy velocity by porosity. 0.3 is equal to Darcy by 0.4. What is Darcy velocity now? 0.12 meter per second. Clear guys? V Darcy 0.12 meter per second. Convective precipitation is caused when there is a frontal mechanism, air mass pass over mountain region. This is frontal mechanism is because of cyclonic frontal precipitation, not related to it. Air mass, this is orographic. This is orographic. Cooler air mass form wedges and lifts warm air mass. No. Raising of moist air due to surface heating. Convective precipitation is a summer rainfall. Summer rainfall. Ground level is having surface heating. So due to the surface heating, moist air rises up. That leads to convective precipitation. Clearly written in our full length notes. Please check once. For a catchment S curve due to a rainfall intensity of 1 centimeter per hour, Q is equal to, given an equation, Q is equal to 3 minus 2 plus T into T power minus 2. T is in hour, Q meter cube per second. T is equal to 1 hour, ordinate of instantaneous UH. Ordinate of instantaneous unit hydrograph. So what is instantaneous unit hydrograph ordinate? Instantaneous unit hydrograph ordinate is SA minus SB upon T2 minus T1. So we are taking T2 as 1 hour, T1 as 0. So you can get delta S by delta T. So you can take SA at 0th hour. I think you understand if you draw the graph. This is 0th hour SA. This is 1 hour. Now the difference is called instantaneous unit hydrograph value. SA minus SB by T. SA is at T is equal to 0 hour. So T is equal to 0 hour SA. You are going to solve for this. 3 minus 2 plus 0, 0 to the power minus 2. It is 3. SB, T is equal to 1 hour. 3 minus 2 plus 1, 1 power minus 2, 0. So what is IUH ordinate? IUH ordinate SCA 3, SB 0, 1 minus 0, 3 meter cube per second. So that is instantaneous unit hydrograph ordinate at t is equal to 1 hour. As per SCA minus SB by delta t, we are going to calculate. In a particular season, catchment was found to have a phi index of 0.4 centimeter per hour. Rainfall depth of 2.4 centimeter occur in the catchment. So phi 0.4, precipitation 2.4 centimeter, duration of rainfall 8 hour. DRO, direct runoff depth, precipitation minus phi into t. So precipitation 2.4, 0.4 into 8. So 0.4 into 8 is 3.2. So you can get a minus 0.8. Negative direct runoff, not possible, na? 0. Answer is 0. A confined aquifer of thickness 5 meter gives a steady discharge of 20 liter per second. So when it was given confined, immediately you can write the formula. 2 pi t, t is kb, s upon ln r by rw. Through well of radius rw given 0.3 meter, height of water dropped 10 meter to 8 meter. Height of water dropped 10 meter to 8 meter. Drawdown 2 meter. Drawdown 2 meter. Coefficient of permeability when the radius of influence is 300 meter. Coefficient of permeability when radius of influence is 300 meter. Now, K required. We need to find out what we need to find out. We need to find out K. So Q 20 liter per second. You can convert 20 liter per second to 0. So you take 20 liter per second, meter cube per second. 20 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube per second. Substitute now. 20 into 10 power minus 3 Q is equal to K required for us, B 2 meter, S sorry, B 5 meter, S 2 meter. 1 minute. B 5 meter, S 2 meter, B 5 meter, S 2 meter upon ln 300 upon 0.3. I can write like this: 20 into 10 power minus 3, 2 into 5 into 2 is equal to pi k upon ln 1000. ln 1000. After solving this, this is a 10 power minus 3 upon ln 1000 by k, pi. K is equal to 10 power minus 3. What is 10 power minus 3? 0.001. 0.001 into ln 1000 by pi. 0.001 into ln 1000 by pi. समझ आ रहा है आंसर? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So 1 minute. This one you get 10 power minus 3 and this is going here now. 10 power minus 3 into ln 1000 by pi. ln 1000 by pi. So you get this answer. Got it, guys? Chalo. So guys, this gives a clear picture information to you. Even it is AEE state exam, The level of questions is up to gate level. In-depth conceptual knowledge is required to crack any government examination. So gear up your preparation with our 30% discount on Unacademy subscription using our universal code KP Civil, and you can contact your KP sir anytime regarding anything. So you can use this number. You can contact me anytime. I'm always available for the students for their benefit. You can talk with me. You can get guidance from your KP sir after using the code KP Civil. So let's crack it, guys.